Look at this beautiful view. We are up on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and isn't that gorgeous? Now, if you really want to see gorgeous, this is gorgeous. Look at this. 9 motorcycles. And almost everybody here is a brother or nephew of mine. There's only one fellow here, Mark, who is a Del Monte by proximity and assimilation. He's been with the family for so long that he might as well be a brother. Let's do a walk back.
I went to Ocean City Bike Week last year. It was
Isn't that gorgeous? That's a bunch of brothers and nephews. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little bikers, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little bikers, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little bikers, 9 little biker boys.
Just trying to get all the bikes, but you were there.
And here we are, having lunch at a restaurant whose name I don't know. It might be the New River Brewing Company Ale House.
No, it's 17:10. Let's go.
What a run. Interestingly,
60 yards.
almost everything.
Second quarter.
Well, right at the end there, 40 seconds.
Oh, okay. It's right at the end. Yeah, it's halftime.
That was the touchdown they just scored.
Interesting place.
We're not trying to do the RG3 thing.
And here we are having lunch at a really neat burger place. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You've used that one twice today.
That's funny though. I like it.
It's funny with the motorcycle.
I'm gonna use it later. I like it. Everybody will go to your
The trifecta.
I pulled the same joke all 3 times with the same audience.
They already told me you could take my diaper down.
Oh, I'm definitely out of the time.
Chris failed out on that. They popped it. Tell the story, man. Tell the story. I was at Dad's taking care of Pop. Dad.
Ice cream after lunch.